Hello and welcome. So let's look at solving this equation by completing the square. Alright, so with completing the square, we want our x squared next term to be on one side and the number to be on the other. Okay, so not equal to 0. You basically, whatever constant is in here, you want to subtract it from both sides to get the x squared and the x term together and then equals the constant. Okay, so this is in the right format. So I have x squared plus 8x. We're going to leave a space to put the magic number that's going to complete the square. All right? So we look at the b. b is 8. You're going to do b over 2 squared. b over 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Right? So we add the 16 here. But because we're solving in the equation, we have the equal sign here, we need to keep it balanced. So you also need to add 16 to the other side. All right. Now this is going to factor x plus 4 and x plus 4. This 48 plus 16 is 64. Let's write this as a perfect square. All right, so notice that we are here. We have a quantity squared equals a number. This is going back to the last section where we're using the square root property. We're going to take the square root of this side to cancel out, plus or minus the square root of 64. We get x plus 4 equals plus or minus 8. All right, so we have two equations. X plus 4 equals 8. Subtract 4, we get x equals 4. And x plus 4 equals negative 8. Subtract the 4, and we get x equals negative 12. So here we got to our solutions. So we use completing the square to get a quantity squared, and then we use the square root property that we used in the last section to actually solve the equation.